Hello and welcome to my channel, Birdie English. Today we'll be exploring the different pronunciation sounds of the letter A. In English, the letter A can have several different pronunciation sounds, including short A as in cat, long A as in cane, AI as in rain, aw as in Paul, aw as in jaw. Let's start with the short A sound, as in the word cat. Repeat after me, cat, pat, hat. Next, let's move on to the long A sound, as in the word cane. Repeat after me, cane, rain, train. Now let's practice the AI sound, as in the word rain. Repeat after me, rain, chain, brain. The next sound is the aw sound, as in the word Paul. Repeat after me, Paul, fault, halt. Finally, let's practice the aw sound, as in the word jaw. Repeat after me, jaw, paw, straw. To improve your pronunciation of these sounds, try these tips. Pay attention to the position of your mouth and tongue when making the sounds. Slow down and exaggerate the sounds when you practice. Listen to native English speakers and try to imitate their pronunciation. I hope this video has helped you understand the different pronunciation sounds of the letter A. Remember to keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to produce these sounds correctly and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.